Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this particular coffee stall over here. So few just things are left which will be completing it over here. So as you can see, we are doing this modeling from a long time, but as also you can see the details which are there over here. There are lot of things over here, lot of assets to be modeled. So I'll take a box over here. I'll just make a small kind of a table over here, convert to editable poly. I'll slightly just push this up a bit. I'll put one swift loop over here. So I'll just keep on putting some loops over here and here. I'll go into the file, view image file, and I have taken a reference of a coffee machine. Let's open up a reference over here. So let's just model this over here. So for this, I'll go into this. I'll just take a line tool over here. So I'll go into this side view. I'll take a line tool and let's just draw a shape like this in this way. We can just draw a shape in this way. Let's go over here, slightly shuffle this up, push this over here. So I'll just drag this over here, and we have a modifier, that's an extrude modifier. So let's just assign extrude modifier over here. After that, I'll slightly just push this up over here, and I'll convert to editable poly. Select this edges and let's slightly give a bit of chamfer to it. So I can slightly assign a chamfer. I can just select this. So we can assign a bit of chamfer over here also. So let's assign a slight chamfer in this way. So again, I'll go into this. I'll go into the edges. I'll put some connects over here. And if you want, I can slightly push this up. First, I can put one loop over here. I can put one loops over here. Then I can slightly just shuffle this up. So I'll exclude this, and only this part we can shuffle this up in this way. Now again, I can go over here. I can again select this edges. Let's put one connect over here. Let's put one connect over here. Select this polygons, slightly insert it and extrude a bit inside Let's click OK. Let's again take a box, or I can just take some lines. Let's go to the top view over here, go into rendering, enable in viewport, and shuffle this up. And slightly push this up, scale it, duplicate this, and how many copies you need, you can put that many copies over here. So I'll just select this and I'll delete this much of the part. So now again I'll go over here. Let's go to the top view. I'll take a cylinder over here. Let's push this up. I'll just scale it over here, shuffle it up, in this way, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, push this down, and let's give a bit of inset. So slightly I'll just assign a bit of inset to it. Let's select this polygons. So select this polygons over here, extrude it down in this way, and you can easily adjust it if required, or you can just push it in this way. So that can be done if required over here. Again, you can go over here, take one more cylinder. I'll activate the auto grid. So just push this up over here. So we don't need much details for this. I'll slightly scale this, push this down. So right click, convert to editable poly, and let's give a bit of cut over here. I'm going to use a cut. So let's put a cut in this way, and now select this polygons, slightly just extrude it down a bit, and let's click OK. Again, take a cylinder, drag it out, scale this, push it over here, shuffle it up, reduce the radius, slightly reduce the height segments, convert to editable poly, select the vertices, slightly just scale this. Now push it in this way, and let's put one swift loop. Select this polygons and slightly I'll extrude it by local normal. Let's click OK. In this way, that's it. Again I'll go over here. Again I'll take one more cylinder, push this up over here, convert to poly, select the polygons, extrude it, or we can use a bevel also. That's totally okay. Scale it, shuffle it up, and again extrude this and drag it down. So this much details are sufficient for it. So let's again take a cylinder, activate this auto grid. I'll go into this. I'll set it as local, convert to editable poly. Select the polygons, slightly give a bit of inset, slightly extrude it a bit inside. Alright, so I'll just end isolate this stuff over here, select this whole thing, so exclude this, everything, only select this part. Let's just group this over here. I'll put it in this way. And let's just duplicate it. So let's just make a copy of it. Then we have few things like modeling the glasses and everything that can be easily modeled. So let's just take a cylinder, convert to editable poly, select the vertices, so let's again go into this and give a shell modifier. So slightly add a shell over here. Let's go onto the top, take a sphere, so convert to editable poly, delete this half, push it up, resize this, so let's put this swift loop over here, select this polygons, again click on extrude by local normal, and click OK. Alright, so select this both and you can make some copies over here. That's it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see, we have completed with the modeling of this particular coffee stall. So we'll be starting up with the texturing part. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's KO Tutorials if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.